Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger. Why would you want to know how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook Messenger and not sure how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger. So today I am going to show you how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding your online status on Messenger is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide your online status on Facebook Messenger. First of all, open Messenger app in your device, and now here is my Facebook Messenger home screen. And then first click on three lines in the left top corner, and then click on settings icon in the right top corner. Now in this screen click on active status. In this new window click on toggle button to turn it off next to the show when you are active. If you can also hide your online status on Facebook, then turn off these both options. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.